Hey everyone, welcome back to Gastromania. Are you bored of eating the same old chicken wings that are store-bought? Need a quick recipe to up your chicken wings game? Let me show you guys a pretty old school Chinese chicken wing recipe. Fermented Beancurd Chicken Wings. It's incredibly quick to make, and this makes your chicken wings much more umami than normal. Simply smelling them will be sure to induce hunger. Without further ado, let's get right into this quick and simple recipe. First, we marinate the chicken wings. I'm using about 500 grams of chicken wings. Dry the chicken wings with paper towels. Make 2 cuts on each side of the chicken wing. This will ensure that the marinade can enter the chicken wings much more faster and cook more evenly. We are going to marinate the chicken wings in a Ziploc bag to make things much more convenient, and it's easier to store in the fridge cause my fridge is pretty full right now. For the marinade, we are adding 2 pieces of fermented beancurd. You can also use the red fermented beancurd variant or Hong Fu for this, but take note that the saltiness will be slightly different, so you might need to adjust the amounts accordingly. Mash them up before adding. 3 cloves of garlic chopped up finely. Remember not to add too much of the garlics as they can be quite overpowering and you might lose the original intended flavour of this dish. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce to add more umami flavour. 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine to get rid of any gamey meat taste. A dash of white pepper powder to add some spicy kick. You can add more if you prefer a spicier flavour. Seal the Ziploc bag for mixing. Make sure to release as much excess air as possible. Mix the marinade evenly. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours so that the seasonings can fully enter the meat. This is always the secret behind delicious tasting meats. 30 minutes before frying, remove the chicken wings from the fridge. Let the temperature rise back to room temperature so that there will not be uneven cooking later on during the frying process. Add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Other flours like sweet potato flour or corn flour is also possible. Mix everything and turn it into a batter. And with that, let's get cooking. Heat up the oil until it's sufficiently hot. Then we can start frying the chicken wings at medium-high heat. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. This will make the oil temperature fall too much and it will cause uneven cooking. This is applicable to all frying processes. Remove the chicken wings when the color of the chicken wings turn golden brown. Set them aside on paper towels to absorb the excess oil before serving. Fry the remaining batch of the chicken wings. And with that, this recipe is completed. The smell of the chicken wings is so inviting. These chicken wings don't even need any type of sauces to pair with it. It's already bursting with flavour. Try them today. And we've come to the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed this recipe, consider supporting us by hitting the like button. If you are not yet subscribed, consider joining us to receive updates whenever we upload our weekly recipes. Follow us on Instagram to stay updated on our latest activities. And I'll catch you in my next video.